a lot of these kind of knowledge work type activities have always seemed like things where that's where the humans have to go to school and learn all this stuff, and that's never going to be automated.
Yeah.
And, it's kind of shocking that rather quickly, a lot of that stuff is clearly automatable.
Yeah.
And I think, but the question then is, okay, so if it isn't worth learning kind of, how to do car mechanics, you only need to know how to drive the car, so to speak.
Mm-hmm.
What do you need to learn? And, in other words, if you don't need to know the mechanics of how to tell the computer in detail, make this loop, set this variable, set up this array, whatever else. If you don't have to learn that stuff, you don't have to learn the kind of under the hood things, what do you have to learn? I think the answer is you need to have an idea where you want to drive the car. In other words, you need to have some notion of, you need to have some picture of sort of what the architecture of what is computationally possible is.